Hello dear students, this is Jyoti Sani, your tutor. So as you know that we have been reading chapter number 3rd in the syllabus of class 11th named Discovering Tut. The saga continues, which is about the CT scan of King Tut, who was famous with the name of King Tut, but his name was Tutankhamun, and he was the last heir of his family line. After that, his family came to an end. He belonged to a royal family, a powerful family of Egypt. He was a powerful pharaoh, a powerful king of Egypt. But he died at teenage. So after that, his life became a mystery, and people wanted to know about the mystery of his death. That's why he had to go through, his mummy had to go through, as his body was mummified. So he had to face repeated researches. So yesterday I was telling you about his forefathers, and I told you about Amenhotep III. After that, Amenhotep IV succeeded him, and he took some strange decisions. That's why he was called Veki by Ray Johnson. So after Akhenaten's death, Akhenaten, that is Amenhotep IV, a mysterious ruler named Samain Khakre appeared briefly and exited with hardly a trace. सो अखेनेटन की मृत्यु के बाद एक बहुत ही रहस्यात्मक रूलर, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो मच अबाउट हिम, दैट्स वाई हिज लाइफ हिस्ट्री इज मिस्टीरियस. सो हिज नेम वॉज समीन खाकरे, एंड ही अपीयर्ड ब्रीफली. ही अपीयर्ड फॉर अ शॉर्ट टाइम and exited, and after that he exited from the history, from that rule with hardly a trace, because we don't have much information about him. तो ज़्यादा कोई उसके ट्रेसेस नहीं मिलते हैं, ज़्यादा कोई उसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं है. And then a very young Tutankhaten. Earlier Tutankhamun's name was Tutankhaten, but he changed his name later. I'll tell you the reason. And then a very young Tutankhaten took the throne. This is the same king, King Tut. His name was Tutankhaten. There is Aten in King Tutankhaten, Aten, because his father or forefather named him Tutankhaten. As Amenhotep was his forefather, so that's why he was named Tutankhaten, because before that Amenhotep IV and maybe Samain Khakre, they were just promoted. They promoted the worship of God Aten. King Tut, as he is widely known today. So today we know him by the name of King Tut. The boy king soon changed his name to Tutankhamun. As Amenhotep IV took some decisions, so his decisions were wrong. But as Tutankhaten, when he took the throne, then he observed that the decisions taken by his father or forefather were wrong. That's why he wanted to worship God Amun, as earlier people used to do. तो जैसा अमून को पहले लोग पूजते थे, जो पहले के रीति रिवाज थे, उन्हीं को दोबारा से इस्टेब्लिश करने के लिए टुटनखेटन ने अपना नाम चेंज किया टुटनखामुन, विच मेंट लिविंग इमेज ऑफ आमून, की अमून की जीती जागती प्रतिमा. एंड ओवरसा a restoration of the old ways. So he re-established the old ways. पुराने तौर तरीकों को उसने दोबारा से अपनाया. He reigned for about 9 years. So at a very young age he became the king, and for 9 years he ruled, and then died unexpectedly. It is believed that he died at teenage. So after 9 years of ruling, he died unexpectedly, because his death is still a mystery. How did he die? What happened to him? These questions are still lingering about him. They are not confirmed still. So King Tut, he was named Tutankhaten earlier, but he changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun. That meant living image of Amun. He wanted to reestablish the old ways, and he changed the decision of Akhenaten after his death. In brief, another ruler also took the throne, Samenkhakre. After Samenkhakre, Tutankhaten took the throne. Now at present we discuss about him, about his mummy, which became the most famous mummy of the world because it was the first mummy to be scanned. Regardless of his fame and the speculations about his fate, Tut is one mummy among many in Egypt. Regardless of his fame, suppose we don't regard his fame that he was the powerful king, he belonged to a royal or powerful family. If we don't believe in these facts, yet even then, and if we don't speculate about his fate कि वो इतना उसकी किस्मत ऐसी थी, वो ऐसा था, 3300 साल पहले इतना पावरफुल राजा टीनेज में मर गया, इस तरह की बातें अगर हम ना भी माने, अगर हमें ये लगे कि ये सच नहीं है, instead of that, even then, Tut is one mummy among many in Egypt. फिर भी इस बात को तो हम कह ही सकते हैं कि किंग टट की जो मम्मी है वो इजिप्ट की काफ़ी कई मम्मीज में से एक है. मम्मी, द डेड बॉडीज विच वर mummified in ancient days. So this is the fact because we have certain evidences for these things. So this is the fact that it is one mummy among many in Egypt. This is true. अगर हम ये बातों को सच नहीं माने तो ये तो मानते ही हैं. How many he is among how many? No one knows. कितनी मम्मीज हैं ये तो कोई नहीं जानता, पर है उनमें से एक है. This is confirmed. The Egyptian Mummy Project, which began an inventory in late 2003. Actually, this project it was invented in late 2003. ये जो प्रोजेक्ट था इसके अंडर ही इन सभी मम्मीज को रिकॉर्ड किया गया है. Has recorded almost 600. So this, according to this project, 600 mummies are recorded till yet. So far and still continue. अब तक 600 हो चुकी है रिकॉर्ड और अभी भी गणना जारी है. The next phase, scanning the mummies with a portable CT scan machine donated by the National Geographic Society in Siemens, its manufacturer. So next phase जो है स्कैनिंग मम्मीज को स्कैन करने का, जो कि किससे किया गया, एक सीटी स्कैन मशीन से, जिसे कि किसने डोनेट किया, नेशनल ज्योग्राफिक सोसाइटी इन साइमंस ने, जो कि इसका मैन्युफैक्चरर है, इसने बनाया था इस मशीन को. King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned in death as in life. This line is, students, very important. This line is very important. Mark it. So King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned, as it was the first mummy to be scanned in death as in life. So after death, the mummy is mummified and it is recorded and scanned now. After scanning, it is recorded. In death, so it is scanned after death. This is true. But how in life? तो किंग टट की मम्मी जो है उसको स्कैन किया गया, जो कि उन मम्मीज में से सबसे प्रसिद्ध मम्मी बनी, जिनको सबसे पहले स्कैन किया गया मरने के बाद और जीवंत. अब जीवित कैसे, ये बात कैसे, एज इन लाइफ हाउ, moving regally ahead of his countrymen. So this mummy which was scanned in death as in life, moving regally ahead, किनके सामने, of his countrymen, अपने देशवासियों के सामने शाही अंदाज में इसको स्कैन किया गया, पेश किया गया, मरते होने के बाद और जीवन. Why as in life? because when the mummy was scanned, its pictures, its images were so clear as it seemed that it was not the scan of a dead person, even of an alive person. इतनी ज़्यादा क्लियर इमेजेस उस सीटी स्कैन मशीन से आई कि ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा था कि किसी मरे हुए व्यक्ति का स्कैन है ये. इसलिए एज इन लाइफ फ्रेज यूज किया है. A CT machine scanned the mummy. Now we will discuss about CT scan machine. How does it work? In every paragraph there is a different idea in this chapter. Now we will learn how a CT scan machine works. A CT scan machine scanned the mummy head to toe. So that CT scan machine that scanned the mummy from head to toe, पूरे उसके शरीर को स्कैन किया इस CT स्कैन मशीन ने, creating 1700 digital X-ray images in cross sections. 1700 digital X-ray images are created whenever a CT scan machine works. That's head scanned in 0.62 millimeter slices to register its intricate structure. Intricate means complex, because head structure is very complex, intricate, बड़ा जटिल स्ट्रक्चर होता है ये ब्रेन का, हेड का. तो इट वॉज रिकॉर्डेड और इट वॉज स्कैंड इन 0.62 मिलीमीटर स्लाइसिस, छोटे छोटे स्लाइसिस, जिसका एक का साइज क्या था 0.62 मिलीमीटर. टेक्स ऑन एयर डिटेल इन द रिजल्टिंग इमेज. एयर डिटेल अद्भुत, जो डिटेल थी उसकी, वो सारी रिजल्ट किसमें उसका मतलब एक तरीके से इमेजेस जो उसकी निकली, इन रेज में उस अद्भुत डिटेल को कवर किया गया, रिकॉर्ड किया गया. With Tutt's entire body similarly recorded. First, Tutt's head was recorded, then the entire body similarly recorded. Likewise, a team of specialists in radiology. Radiologists are also scientists. A team of specialists in radiology, forensics, and anatomy. जीव विज्ञान, ये सभी वैज्ञानिक स्पेशलिस्ट जो थे उनके began to probe the secret. Probe means search. They began to search the secrets that the winged goddesses of a gilded burial shrine protected for so long. Try to understand this line. So these all scientists, these all specialists, they began to search the secret by CT scan of the mummy of King Tut. They tried to search the secrets, that secret that the winged goddesses of a gilded burial, winged goddesses, the goddesses who had wings, पंखों वाली देवियां, of a gilded burial, that burial chamber, that burial temple where King Tut was laden with gold or other decorated things. And that burial shrine, that burial temple was protected by winged goddesses for so long. तो जिस बरियल श्राइन को, जिस मंदिर को जहाँ पर किंग टट को सोने से लाद कर दफना दिया गया था, उस मंदिर को इतने लंबे समय तक प्रोटेक्ट करने वाली जो पंखों वाली देवियां हैं, उन्होंने सीक्रेट को आज तक छुपा के रख रखा था, प्रोटेक्ट किया हुआ था. उन सीक्रेट्स को जानने की कोशिश किसने की? स्पेशलिस्ट की टीम ने, जो कि किसमें स्पेशलिस्ट थे? रेडियोलॉजी में, फोरेंसिक्स एंड एनाटॉमी में. उन सब वैज्ञानिकों ने किंग टट के उन सीक्रेट्स को पता करने की कोशिश की जो आज तक विंग गॉडेसेस ने प्रोटेक्ट करके रखा हुआ था उस चैम्बर में जहां पर किंग टट को दफन किया गया. गॉट इट? The night of the scan, workman carried Tut from the tomb in his box. So that night when the scan was to be done, workman carried Tut from the tomb. तो जो लेबर था, जो लोग थे काम वाले, उन्होंने किंग टट को उसकी टॉम से निकाला इन हिज बॉक्स में उसके. एंड लाइक पॉल बेयरर्स हु कैरी कफिन्स, ताबूत ले जाने वाले, एंड लाइक पॉल बेयरर्स दे क्लाइम्ड अ रैम्प स्लोप एंड अ फ्लाइट ऑफ स्टेयर्स इनटू द swirling सैंड आउटसाइड. तो पॉल बेयरर्स की तरह वो चढ़े रैम्प पर और फिर उन सीढ़ियों पर जो घूमती हुई बाहर उस रेतीले इलाके में आ गई थी, बिकॉज इट वॉज डेजर्टेड एरिया. देन रोज ऑन अ हाइड्रोलिक लिफ्ट इनटू द ट्रेलर. देन इन दैट रूम वेयर द सिटी स्कैन मशीन वॉज प्लेस्ड, दे पुट इट ऑन अ हाइड्रोलिक लिफ्ट, जिससे कि वो अंदर जाते हैं. मशीन होती है एक सिटी स्कैन की बहुत बड़ी, जो पूरी बॉडी को स्कैन करती है. दैट हेल्ड द स्कैनर. उस लिफ्ट पे लिटा दिया गया उसको जहां पर स्कैनर था जिसमें. 20 minutes later, 2 men emerged. So this process was started. And after 20 minutes, 2 men emerged. They appeared, sprinted for an office nearby. Sprinting means running, and they ran for an office nearby. After that, they returned with a pair of plastic fans. So they returned with 2 plastic fans. Actually what happened, the $1 million scanner has quit. That scanner which was brought after spending $1 million, that had quit. उसने काम करना बंद कर दिया था. Because of sand in a cooler fan. Why? Because there was sand which was stuck in the cooler fan. कूलर के फैन में जो सैंड थी वो फंस गई थी. Curse of the Farah, jogged a guard nervously, and where the guards who were standing, one among them, he made a comment, curse of the Farah, because it was believed that people who would disturb King Tut's sleep, they would face misfortune. And the work was stopped because the sand was stuck in cooler fan. So one guard joked nervously, थोड़ा घबरा कर उसने मजाक कर दिया कि शायद ये राजा का श्राप है. Okay students, we will continue the same chapter in next video. Thank you.